messy this morning. Okay, welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you guys are having a great day today. Probably not the best day to do what I'm about to do. But we're gonna do it anyways. Something that I didn't know when I first bought the Civic was that you could swap clusters into it. And something that you guys pointed out ever since we put the tach into it was that we should have just put a cluster in. So like I left this whole time because I don't mind the way it looks. I think it looks okay. But I've been looking into kind of making the entire car a lot cleaner. As part of like Civic 2.0, I want to clean this car up a lot. I want to make it very, very clean and very, very nice. And I think part of doing that is getting rid of anything that's unnecessary. So that tach, I don't think we need that tach anymore. So we're taking a chance this morning. I'm gonna run to a junkyard and hope. Their website says they have like 5 or 6 of these exact same cars. They can't tell you what's in them and they can't guarantee anything, because even if you said, yeah, there's a tach in this one, like yes, the cluster's still there. By the time I get there, it could be completely gone. So, but before we go anywhere, I have a new mod for the BRZ. It's a small one, it's just a little mod, but it's one I think you guys will all enjoy. So something that you guys ask me all the time, like seriously, one of the top comments is about this shift knob. People ask 2 things. They say, 1, where did you get it? It looks really sick. And 2, is it awkward to drive with this because it's kind of like, it looks pointy, I guess. It looks like it'd be nubby. Honestly, the shape of it, you don't even notice at all. Like you literally do not even notice that there's points. It just feels like if you want like a full shift knob that you can like grab and it's big in your hand, this one definitely does a good job. And the company that makes this is Likewise. I'll put their Instagram right here. A lot of you guys can't seem to find them. So that's the company that makes this. It's a Likewise shift knob. BRZ stock shift knob is like 198 grams. And this one is like 203 or something like that. Likewise came out with one a while ago that is super weighted. It is called the Thick Boy and it is 500 grams. And when I heard this, I would literally shit my pants and I was like, dude, I need to get one of these right away. So it has arrived, it is here. Dude, I wish that videos could capture just the weight of this. It's a lot more subtle. It probably feels a lot like easier in the hand. And it is literally 2.5 times the weight of that one. The weight takes out a lot of like the notchiness in your shifting and it makes it just feel like butter. This has got to go. This grew old. I've done it twice now. It faded both times and it kind of looks like really teenagery and I'm kind of growing out of it. I think I'm just over it. And I think the shift knob would look way better with just the, you know what? Let's just do that right now. Dude, that looks so much better with just the raw boot. It was cool while it lasted, the Crown Royal thing. I'll leave a link to it down below if you guys want to make one yourself. I actually made this thing twice and I made a video about how to do it, but you can see right there, like the color fade is just massively faded. All right, so I don't think I need much to get that panel off on the car. I'm gonna bring just like a couple screwdrivers, some wrenches, grab some sockets, maybe a drill. I don't know, I'm going there for a cluster, but it's one of those places where you never know what you're gonna find. If you find something cool, gotta be equipped. All right, let's go.
When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore. When the world seems to shine like you've had too much wine, that's amore. When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore. When the world seems to shine like you've had too much wine, that's amore.
All right, so I got a list of all 9 of the Civics that are here. I'm literally just gonna start at the top, go way down. The first one's auto though, so I'll probably skip the auto and go straight to the standard ones. So first one is in row 62. Oh, found it. Oh, just kidding, this one's auto. So 2 in row 62. I don't see it. Oh my God, it had a body kit on it and it was lime green. What is this, dude? Oh my God, look at this. It was boosted, has a manifold on it. I don't know if you guys can see it. Of course, 2 for 2. If it wasn't all like cracked and shitty, I might consider it. This is a straight up Fast and Furious car. Like imagine this thing on the road, just lime green with a huge body kit. This one's missing the tach too. You just gotta hope that you find one that hasn't been here that long and no one's got to it yet. Oh, what? Yo, what? It's right here. It's like sopping wet. All right, so I guess we gotta check 48, 49, 49, and 48. It's auto, but it's there. Okay, so I came back over to this other EG that had the one that was out that I said somebody ruined and got soaked. And what I realized, because I was like, I remember this one being white and I wondered why. And then after I just played with it for a couple minutes, you can pop this off. This is just like a color changing piece, goes over top of the OEM black one, and this one's an auto. So that sprung me an idea. This one still has the cutout for the auto, whatever. I don't really want the white anyways, I think it kind of looks ugly. But that must mean that you can buy those covers. So if you can buy those covers, what I think I might do is just take the auto one, and then since you have it, you can just buy the cover for a manual, which won't have that strip cut out the center. And then when you don't have that strip cut out of the center, it just completely hides the gauges, and you never even knew they were there. Cause like it has it, this one's kind of dirty, but like whatever. I could clean the plastics up no problem. Sweet, that was super simple. That took literally less than a minute. So it's kind of dirty, it's kind of custy. I'll probably wait till I get it home to clean it up so I don't scratch the hell out of it, just to show you guys what it looks like. I asked you guys on Instagram what you thought, and I got about a 50-50 do the auto versus wait till you can find a manual. Honestly, I think the auto will look fine. And then worst case, if I really don't like it, I can do what I was saying and just swap one of those covers on top. Like 40 something plus tax, so 50 bucks. A little bit steep, but it comes with a warranty. So if I take it home and it didn't work because it got wet at the junkyard or anything, like if for any reason, I get like 2 months return. Thank you, too. Alright, so we had a little bit of an unfortunate event on the way home. I think the best way to tell you about it is just to show you what happened. So this is one of those situations where I'm grateful it didn't hit like a headlight, it didn't dent my hood, it didn't take out my bumper. The whole front end of the car is good, which I'm grateful for. But this friggin' sucks. This is huge too, like the size of my hand. It's literally almost the size of my hand. Like, it's hard to see because the windshield's dirty, but you can see it better from the inside right there. I didn't see, like, it didn't come off of a truck or anything. All I saw was it just go in the windshield, so, and as far as I can tell, it must have just been like bouncing down the road or on the road and someone's tire kicked it up. So there's not much you can do about it. I just gotta get it fixed, but kinda sucks. I guess first thing I'm gonna do is just tear out the old one and take my Speedo out and put it in the new one because mine has the correct kilometers and I don't wanna start playing the game where like the kilometers aren't right and whatever. Here's the old one and here's the new one. So I know for a fact there's gonna be like the handful of people that really hate how this has like the park neutral drive, whatever. It's my car, it's going in my car and it doesn't even really bug me. Like, I know, I get why it would bug you, like it's unnecessarily there, but it doesn't bug me. Like, I don't know why, I don't care. Like, I don't care that it's there. The internet says pull on this really hard, so I'm gonna pull on it really hard. Oh, that's not working, dude, that's gonna break it. Oh, it's coming off, oh, never mind. Thank you, internet. I now have a tach with my accurate mileage speedometer for the Civ. That was actually a lot easier than I thought. Sometimes, especially when you don't know what you're doing, like this morning I woke up and I was like, today, this is my life, guys. I literally wake up and I'm like, all right, I just have a list of things mentally I want to do to the cars. And I woke up this morning and I was like, today, we're getting a tach. For anybody that's looking at doing this, like that was super easy. There's nothing scary about it. You don't even have to heat anything. You literally just couple clips, couple screws, super simple. Okay, it's all plugged in. Let's see how we did here. Engine light, parking brake. Seems to be working. High beam light works. I've got no turn signal action happening. Illumination. It's like impossible to tell with the lights on. So the illumination works, which is good. I figured it out. I plugged this. This is the clock. This is what plugs into your clock. And I had the clock one plugged into the 4-ways. And now we good, baby. So now we just have one more final test before we put everything back together. Please, 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 please. Oh yeah, baby, woo! Now we got double tachs. Okay, so here's another one. Pull this. That works. I'm so hyped it worked. I was so worried that it wouldn't. Looks so much cleaner. I don't know why we never did this. Dude, this looks so much better. So much better. It's so much cleaner. It's just like simpler. Like the car just looks like regular now. That is super cool. Thank you guys for consistently bugging me to get this in here because now it just looks so much better. So there you go, 50 bucks. It's literally the price of the tach I bought anyways. For the same price as this tach, you could have literally just bought the whole cluster and swapped it. So for next time, or for anybody else, that's probably the better way to do it. And then what I want to do too is, a lot of you guys commented, like, why did you paint the fenders and not the bumper? And I don't know. I don't know. It was a stupid move. I don't know why I didn't do it. Even though I'm hyping you guys up about getting a new kit, while it's still like this, I may as well put some red on the front. Sweet, so that's gonna be probably the same as the fenders where like the black spots like this don't really cover. But at least when you stand back now and look at it, same idea, it's all red. No longer a headache, which I know it has been for a while. So that's pretty much it. That's all I'm gonna have for you guys today. I hope you guys are stoked on the new cluster. I'm trying to get my life in order right now. Like if you guys look around the garage, I tell you all the time, like, oh, the garage is kind of messy, but like, I'm trying to get my shit together. I'm trying to just clean. I want to find homes for stuff that doesn't have homes, and I've just been okay with it. It's not okay anymore. It needs a home. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. I swear to God, I've been trying to get Emerson to make this race video for weeks, okay? I promise, I'm trying really hard. He said maybe tonight or maybe tomorrow, so it's coming. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out, and stay committed.